Kids, welcome to our today's session. Today also teacher is going to take new voice activity, that is of lesson number 7, stone soup. Now Sonali Miss has explained you all what is stone soup and why this lesson is called as stone soup. You all have come to know. Yes kids? Yes. So today we are going to see the activity of this lesson. Last week we did lesson number 4 activity. I hope all have written in the book. Yes. And dictation also you all have done. Have you all written the corrections, kids? That's very good. So today we'll start with the new voice activity. Okay. And after this activity there will be dictation of this same lesson. Are you all ready? I think all are ready. Yes. We will start here. The question number 1 is tick the correct answer. Tick the correct answer. The 3 soldiers were very tired and you are going to select the answer and tick it. 2 options are given. Again teacher is reading. 3 soldiers were very tired and hungry, thirsty. The 3 soldiers were very tired and hungry. Let's see. Hungry. Very good. Repeat after teacher. The 3 soldiers were very tired and hungry. The 3 soldiers were very tired and hungry. The villagers loved, feared strangers. The villagers loved, feared strangers. Feared. Let's see. Very good. Feared. Repeat. The villagers feared strangers. The villagers feared strangers. Number 3. The villagers refused to give food stones to the soldiers. The villagers refused to give food stones to the soldiers. Food. Let's see. Yes, very good. Repeat. The villagers refused to give food to the soldiers. The villagers refused to give food to the soldiers. Very good. Next one. Number 4. Leo said that the soup would be tastier with a few onions, carrots. Leo said that the soup would be tastier with a few onions, carrots. Carrots. Let's see. Yes. Repeat. Leo said that the soup would be tastier with a few carrots. Leo said that the soup would be tastier with a few carrots. Number 5. The villagers learned to make tomato stone soup. The villagers learned to make tomato stone soup. Stone. Let's see. Yes, repeat. The villagers learned to make stone soup. The villagers learned to make stone soup. The villagers did not share anything because they had no food. They were selfish. The villagers did not share anything because they had no food, or they were selfish. Because they had, let's see, they had no food. Repeat, the villagers did not share anything because they had no food. The villagers did not share anything because they had no food. Understood, children, till this much? Okay, now next question. Complete the sentences. Complete the sentences. First one. A person who cooks at a hotel is a, what is called? A person who cooks at a hotel is a chef. Repeat. A person who cooks at a hotel is a chef. Next one. A person who makes music is a musician. Repeat. A person who makes music is a musician. A person who cures sick people is a, children, when you are not well, where you go to? Whom you go to? Doctor. So, a person who cures sick people is a doctor. Very good. Repeat. A person who cures sick people is a doctor. Number 4. A person who bakes bread and biscuit is a, what is called? A person who bakes bread and biscuit is a baker. Repeat. A person who bakes bread and biscuits is a baker. A person who bakes bread and biscuits is a baker. A person who flies a plane is a, what is called? Very good, pilot. A person, repeat, a person who flies a plane is a pilot. A person who flies a plane is a pilot. Sixth one. A person who protects the country is a person who protects the country is a soldier. Repeat. A person who protects the country is a soldier. A person who protects the country is a soldier. Now let's go to next question. Write the correct words. First one. The place in your home where meals are cooked. Children, where your mother cooks the food, what is that place called? What is that room called? Kitchen. Let's see. Yes, repeat. The place in your home where meals are cooked, it's called kitchen. The place in a home where meals are cooked is called kitchen. Next one, instructions for preparing dish. Children, instruction means you all tell that what to be, how to prepare the dish, how to make sandwich, yes, how to make paneer kofta, like that. You say na, for that you give instruction. See, take paneer, take salt, say chili powder. That is the instruction you give. So what it is called? Instruction for preparing dish. What's it's called? Let's see. Recipes. Repeat. Instructions for preparing dish is called recipes. Instructions for preparing dish is called recipes. Next one, a vessel with a handle in which liquids are kept or heated. A vessel with a handle in which liquids are heated. What is that vessel called, children, with a handle in which you heat the liquid and all, soup, tea, what it is called? Pan. Pan. A vessel with a handle in which liquids are heated is called pan. Next one. Fourth one, a sticky liquid used to make something sweet. A sticky liquid used to make something sweet. Let's see. Sugar syrup. Sugar syrup. Repeat. A thick, sticky liquid used to make something sweet. Sugar syrup. A thicky, sticky liquid used to make something sweet. Sugar syrup. Fifth one, the place where you wash dishes. The place where you wash dishes. Where you wash the dish, children, what it is called as? Let's see. Wash basin. What is called as? Wash basin. Repeat. The place where you wash dishes. Wash basin. What's called? Wash basin. Next one. You say this when you eat something delicious. You say this when you eat something delicious. Children, when you like something, your favorite dish is prepared, and by eating that, what you will say? Let's say, yummy. Yummy. Repeat. You say this when you eat something delicious. Yummy. Yummy. Till this much you all have understood, kids? Yes? Now next one. Now here, children, we are going to see the plurals. Okay. Now what are plurals? Plurals are words that tell us there are more than one thing. When there is more than one thing, it's called as plurals. To make plural forms of most words, we add s. What we add? S to each of the word. At the end of each of the word, we add s. So repeat after teacher. Cat, cats. Cat, cats. Cat, cats. Girl, girls. Girl, girls. Tree, trees. Tree, trees. Table, tables. Table, tables. Pencil, pencils. pencil, pencils. Light, lights, light, lights. Chair, chairs, chair, chairs. Door, doors, door, doors. Now children, we add es to words ending in o, x, s, double s, sh and ch to make their plural forms. Now children, here at the end of o, x, s, double s, sh, ch is there. There we add, what will add? es. Fox, foxes. Tomato, tomatoes. Watch, watches. Brush, brushes. Glass, glasses. Bench, benches. Again say fox, foxes. Tomato, tomatoes. Watch, watches. Brush, brushes. Glass, glasses. Bench, benches. Okay children, next one. For words that end in y, we drop the y children and add ies. Wherever the words children end in y, at the end of the word y is there, you remove that y and you add ies. So let's see the words. Okay, ready children? Repeat. Kitty, kitties. Kitty, kitties. City, cities. City, cities. Baby, babies. Baby, babies. Story, stories. Story, stories. Body, bodies. Body, bodies. Candy, candies. Candy, candies. Okay kids, now you are clear with plural children. Okay, at the end of the word you will add s somewhere, ies somewhere. Okay, ready? Now next we'll see what it is. Again it's the C. Daisy, daisies. Daisy, daisies. Buddy, buddies. Buddy, buddies. Now let's see what is next. Now children, write the short forms of these words. Some words are given children, and for that word we are going to write the short forms. Now what are short forms? Let's see. Now here see children. First one is plus not equal to isn't. Now what is isn't? That is the short form of is not. Repeat. Is plus not equal to is not. Is, sorry children, repeat. Is plus not equal to isn't. Repeat. Is plus not is equal to isn't. Okay. Next. Should plus not shouldn't. Can you see, children? Should plus not. Okay. Now see the short form. SHOULD. Ups you can see comma, apostrophe comma and T. Shouldn't. So the comma should come in between N and T. Should plus not shouldn't. Next one. Would plus not wouldn't. Repeat. Would plus not wouldn't. Number 4. Did plus not didn't. Repeat. Did plus not didn't. Had plus not hadn't. Had plus not hadn't. Are plus not aren't. Are plus not aren't. Children, once more repeat after me. First one. Is plus not isn't. Should plus not shouldn't. Would plus not wouldn't. Did plus not didn't. Had plus not hadn't. Are plus not aren't. Okay, kids? Now, kids, we are finished with the activities. Now, these activities all you are going to note down in your book. You are going to write down in your book. Now, children, are you all ready for the dictation? If not, I'll give you 10 minutes. Take a book, a pencil and an eraser and be ready. Okay? We are going to start with the dictation of lesson number 7, the stone soup. Ready, kids? Okay. Open the book. On the left side of the page, write corrections. Write 1, 2, 3. Left side of the book. Finish. On the right side, write today's date. Write new voice lesson 7. New voice lesson 7. Okay. Now I'm going to give you all 10 words. Number it. One to 10 number writes, children. Finish. Now listen to the words carefully. I'll repeat 3 times, okay? Then write. Ready? The first word is hungry. 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 Next one. Feared. 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 Number 3. Hidden. 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 Number 4. Share. 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 Fifth one. Harvest. 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 Number 6. Ready, children? Number 6. Gathered. 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 Number 7. Tasty. 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 Eighth one. Scraps. Scraps. Finish, children? Ninth one. Spread. 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 And the last and the best is happily. 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 Okay, children. Now I'm going to repeat the word. Just check whether you have written all the words or what. Okay. The first word is hungry. Hungry. Second, feared. Feared. Number 3, hidden. Hidden. 4th, share. Share. Number 5, harvest. Harvest. Number 6, gathered. Gathered. Number 7, tasty. Tasty. 8, scraps. Scraps. 9th, spread. Spread. 10th one is happily. happily. Okay, now kids, like last time only, ask your parents to check your words and the wrong words. I've given the words here. Look here. You are going to see the words and write three times. Okay, children. See you next time. Till then, take care. Bye bye.